Hey guys, just wanted to say hi from my couch for a change. Sitting here on a chilly winter's evening with my babies, my teacup poodles. There they are. This is how we sit every night after a big day of pouring. All having a cuddle on the couch while we watch TV. Hey Ruby, this is little Ruby here. And that's Gypsy, and that's Lexi. And the black one is Zoe. And who have we got down there? There's, oh, I can't reach. There's Charlie and Connor. Got my fluffy socks on to keep my feet warm. Izzy's lying on my feet. And Bronte. Hello baby, that's Bronte. And then next to her is our little baby. Oh, well, she's 4 months now. Little Ella. And that's us. Happy little family all sitting here watching MasterChef. Alright, I'll see you when I'm pouring. See you soon. Say bye, puppies. Woof, woof. Bye. G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a big canvas today using this Magic Cell Maker, the Decoart Supreme Sheen. This one's my favourite, 24K gold. This is just a previously used canvas that I was practicing my... What was I practicing? Oh, the container pours, I think I was doing that. So yeah, just going to have a play with it. It's a bit bigger than I would normally use for my pearls, but as I said, I've got it there, so I thought I'd use it. Now, the inspiration for these colours comes from the lovely Adrian, who was at my pearl workshop. Now, I'll show you hers. It is gorgeous. That's it there. How beautiful is that? I'll pop it back very carefully. I just wanted to show you those colours. So I've taken inspiration from those colours. Now she did use this green, but it didn't show up. I'm sure it's in there somewhere, but it didn't really show up. It is an opaque. See that square there, how it's coloured in? So that's an opaque. The purple is a transparent. See the square's not coloured in at all. And the magenta is a semi-transparent. The square's half coloured in. So we've got one of each. Magenta, dark sazine purple, and bright aqua green. Those are the colours there. The black, I have mixed 1 part black with 1 part Floetrol. I've actually got 120 grams of Floetrol and 120 grams of paint. And then I've put in 30 grams of water. The 3 Liquitex Basics have been mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have got 100 grams of Floetrol to 50 grams of paint, and then 20 grams of water to thin them out. The gold is, as I said, just the Extreme Sheen. There's 60 grams in there. And that has got 60 grams of Floetrol, no water. So that is it. So what I'm going to do is, into my jug, doesn't matter if it sits there, half a cup of black. And the other half, I'm just going to pop some water in. Squirt of water just to thin it out. It's just normal tap water. It's not distilled water or bought water, it's just what comes out of my tap. Okay, and let's just pop that around. I'm not sure how the rectangle canvas is going to go, but as I said, it's there, so I thought I'd use it up. So we had a lovely day pouring today, and I always get really jealous when the ladies come and pour at the workshop and I don't get to pour. going to pour. I always say that after a class, I'm not going to pour, but then I was just so inspired by the colours. I thought, I want to do that. It's so lovely when the ladies come actually, and they have different ideas of colours that I haven't done before. So yeah, it's really nice. See some new colour schemes, because you know me, I tend to just do blues, turquoises. I have done a few purples, especially for my daughter Christy, as you know, loves purple. So I've done some purple and aqua pours for her, which I guess this is similar. Maybe if it turns out she can have it. She needs more art on her walls. So this is just to cover as much of the canvas as possible. It'll help the paint flow over nice and easily. I do want to tilt quickly to cover the canvas. Now let me move my paints out of the way. Okay, so black's in there already. You don't want too much black because it's quite a strong colour. So in with the magenta. I think this is the order she did. Is this the order you did, Adrian? I can't remember. And then in with the aqua green. The ladies all did the 50 by 60 centimetre canvas today, the pearl, which is a 20 by 24 inch. I think only one of the ladies actually has ever done a pearl pour before, so it was a bit of an eye-opener for them. But they all did such an amazing job. It's quite a big canvas to tackle if you've never done this technique before. And there's a bit of a knack to it, you know, you have to tilt quickly. You do your pour and then you tilt really quickly. Okay, into the middle, and then I'm just going to pop a little bit over the top. I'm thinking that one, this is what we did today at the class as well. I'm thinking the paint over the top might actually spread to the outsides. We'll see. And create, you know, the pearls around the outside. So that's what I'm hoping anyway. Okay, now, not quite sure how to pour this being oblong. I'm just gonna do what I normally do and just pour into the middle and see what happens. Hopefully there's not too much black in the center. Oh, here comes some gold. You kind of have to wait. Like when you think you're getting too much black, sometimes you just have to wait and see what else comes out. I don't mind a little bit of something else, some other colour coming through there, that's fine. Right, pop in some bubbles real quick and then I'll get straight to torching. You settle down, big boy. I know you're excited. And he does this when there's people watching, you know, he plays up. It's not like this when I'm on my own. Just being cheeky, aren't you? Okay, so quick torch to pop those bubbles. And now, as I usually do, I'm going to try, I don't know that I can really go around in a big circle because it's not a circular canvas, but let's just, actually no, I'm not going to, I'm going to just go off that corner and come back and go, no I won't. Oh, I should. No, I'm going to go opposite corner. Go over there. And then we'll stretch out. Go, go, go to that corner. And then I need to turn it around though. Oops, if I can. I need to get to that bottom corner. My gold looks a bit thick. See how it's making a bit of a wave? It's a bit strange. Just going to take that off. While I'm here, I might take some of that gold off the corner too. Okay, and now I need to just bring it back. And leave it. Once your cells start popping up, you really need to just leave your canvas. Otherwise, those cells are just going to stretch out of shape once you start tilting them again. So I'll leave it like that. Wipe my hands because I'm covered in black paint. Maybe I had too much black. Might not have needed so much. We'll see. See how it turns out. Now, the torching time. Let's see what we can get up. I know I tipped a lot of gold off, but I didn't want so much. Like I'm going to have a big gold corner there. And it's kind of going to balance the big black corner on that side, I guess. So we'll see what happens. Purple has mixed in with the gold up here, so I've got purple cells popping up. Can't really see my pink very much at all. Where did you go, pink? And the green, well, it's gone. This is a purple and gold painting. Everything else. There's a little bit of green through there. It's taken on a shade of blue actually. I guess that's the purple mixing with it. It's taken on a bit of a shade of blue. The cells are growing quite fast, so that's an indication that my mix was not too thick. If your mix is too thick, your cells will be too small. I guess they could have been a little bit thinner, my mix. Now the cells are quite small here. So yeah, just trying to take it all in. Where am I looking? So I've got a, as I said, dark corner there, really bright light gold corner over there. I'm going to turn off the camera. Well, I'll pause it and I will come back to you in a little while. Oh, I've got paint on my shirt from where I turned the canvas around. All right, let me climb up my ladder and I'll come back to you. I'm a bit upset all my pink's gone. Must have tipped it all off. Oh well, never mind. They're all different, aren't they? Doesn't matter what you do, they're all different. Let me turn this off. How's that? Can you see better? I'm just going to, zoom you in. And then when I come back, there we go. When I come back, we'll see what's happened. Oh, I'm just upset my pink's gone. There it is, I can see it. It's on the piddle pad on the bottom left there. I don't know how I could have kept it. Oh well. I did tilt a lot. You know, I wanted to get most of it off because I wanted the cells. So it's a toss-up, you know. You lose a lot of paint, yes, but then you get the pretty cells. Still got a lot of gold on that bottom left, bottom right corner. All right, I'll come back to you shortly. Okay guys, I'm back. It's only been about 10 minutes. I need to finish up here and go and feed the dogs and all that kind of thing, because it's 6 o'clock at night now, so I've had a long day. Right, let's take you down for a close-up. Oh, slide you out of the little phone holder, down off the ladder. You don't really need a running commentary, do you, of me climbing down a ladder? Okay, well, as I said before, it's quite purple, which I think, you know, I'll give it to my daughter. She loves purple, so yeah, lost the pink, the magenta, lost the green, except for that little bit of the green in the middle there, which has kind of gone a bit bluish. If I can focus. Because of the purple. Let me see if I can pick up the shimmer for the gold. Sometimes it's really hard to pick it up with the camera. I think you can see it there. Shimmer, shimmer. So over here, the gold has taken on a bit of a purple hue. Got that little black section in the middle there, that little dark section. How pretty is that with the floating cells? And come down to this other corner, which has only got the little cells in it. I actually quite like that balance, because it's really quite full on up the other end with all the gold, so it's nice having some negative space or something a little bit darker over in this corner. Oh, there's a little bit of green there. Look at that, poking out to say hi. Got a few of the thicker bands of gold. I didn't quite tilt them all off like I normally would. Yeah, normally I would tilt a lot more vigorously and get those bands off, and get that band off the corner there, but I think it's just because it was a big canvas. It was difficult for me to do quickly without getting paint all over myself. So there you go. Hopefully you can see the sparkles. Really pretty. Happy with that. Whoops, don't go so pale. Go back to normal colour. There we go. So there you go. What do you think? Probably a little bit on the busy side. Maybe my mix was a touch too thin. Oh, look, every time it's different, and depending on what colours you use, you know, the blues are thicker. The purples tend to be a little bit thinner, and you get a different outcome with different colours because of the different thicknesses of the paint. But there you have it. I'll see if I can pick up that shimmer one more time. Favourite spot just there in the middle. How pretty is that? Okay, I'm done like a dinner. I'm going to go make some dinner. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a go at these Supreme Sheen paints. They're so much fun. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so that you'll be notified when I put up another pour if you want to follow me. Love all your comments. And that's it. I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.